Welcome back to Prime Picks USA, where we bring you honest reviews of the best products available on Amazon. Today, we are checking out the top 5 best electric chainsaws designed for cutting firewood, trimming branches, and handling yard work with ease. These chainsaws offer strong cutting performance, lightweight designs, and convenient electric power for homeowners and DIY users. Let us get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Oregon CS1500 Self-Sharpening Electric Chainsaw. The Oregon CS1500 Self-Sharpening Electric Chainsaw is designed for homeowners who need dependable cutting performance for yard maintenance, firewood preparation, and storm cleanup. Built with convenience and efficiency in mind, this electric chainsaw combines powerful cutting capability with a unique built-in sharpening system that helps keep the chain performing at its best. One of the most distinctive features of the Oregon CS1500 is its PowerSharp self-sharpening technology. Unlike traditional chainsaws that require removing the chain for sharpening, this model allows users to sharpen the chain directly on the saw. By simply pulling the red PowerSharp lever for a few seconds, the system sharpens the chain and restores cutting performance. This feature helps reduce downtime and simplifies maintenance, especially for users who may not have experience sharpening chains manually. The chainsaw is powered by a strong 15-amp electric motor that delivers consistent cutting power. Because it runs on electricity rather than gasoline, it eliminates the need for fuel mixing, pull cords, or engine maintenance. This makes it a practical option for homeowners looking for a simpler alternative to gas-powered chainsaws. The saw includes an 18-inch guide bar, providing a generous cutting capacity for handling medium to large branches, fallen limbs, and logs. This length allows users to tackle a wide variety of outdoor cutting tasks around the property. Overall, the Oregon CS1500 self-sharpening electric chainsaw offers strong electric performance, easy maintenance with its built-in sharpening system, and reliable cutting capability for a variety of yard and property maintenance tasks. Number 2. CZI Electric Chainsaw Trimmer Pruner, 3-in-1 Cordless Chainsaw, Hedge Trimmer, Pruning Shears with 2x rechargeable 4000 mAh batteries, Garden Toolkit for tree trimming and branch cutting. The CZI 3-in-1 Cordless Garden Toolkit is designed to provide multiple gardening tools in one convenient system. This versatile kit combines a cordless mini chainsaw, hedge trimmer, and pruning shears, allowing users to handle a variety of trimming and cutting tasks around the garden or yard. One of the key benefits of this kit is its multi-function design. Instead of purchasing separate tools for pruning, hedge trimming, and branch cutting, users can switch between attachments depending on the job. The mini cordless chainsaw is designed for cutting small branches, trimming trees, and preparing small pieces of firewood. Its compact size makes it easier to control when working in tight spaces or trimming branches overhead. The hedge trimmer attachment is useful for shaping hedges, shrubs, and decorative plants. It helps create clean edges and even trimming results when maintaining landscaping. The pruning shears are designed for smaller and more precise cutting tasks, such as trimming stems, flowers, and thin branches in gardens. The kit includes 2 rechargeable 4000 mAh lithium batteries, which provide cordless power for the tools. Having 2 batteries allows users to keep one battery charging while the other is in use, helping extend working time. Cordless operation allows users to move freely around the yard without dealing with extension cords or fuel. The tools are designed to be lightweight and easy to handle, which can make them suitable for extended garden work without causing excessive fatigue. Number 3. Greenworks 82V 16-inch brushless, 2.4 kilowatts, cordless chainsaw, 225 cuts per charge, 4.0Ah battery and dual-port rapid charger, great for landscapers and professionals. The Greenworks 82V 16-inch brushless cordless chainsaw is designed to deliver professional-level cutting performance while maintaining the convenience of battery-powered operation. Built for landscapers, contractors, and serious homeowners, this chainsaw combines high-voltage battery technology with a powerful brushless motor. At the core of this tool is the 82-volt brushless motor system. Brushless motors are designed to provide higher efficiency, longer runtime, and reduced maintenance compared to traditional brushed motors. This motor helps deliver strong cutting power for demanding outdoor tasks. The chainsaw features a 16-inch guide bar that provides a balanced combination of cutting capacity and maneuverability. This bar length allows users to handle a wide range of jobs including cutting firewood, trimming branches, and removing fallen limbs. Greenworks estimates that the chainsaw can perform up to approximately 225 cuts per charge depending on wood size, density, and working conditions. This makes it suitable for longer work sessions without frequent battery changes. The unit comes with a 4.0 lithium-ion battery and a dual-port rapid charger. The rapid charger helps reduce downtime by charging batteries more quickly so users can return to work faster. Because the chainsaw is cordless, it provides full mobility around the work area without the limitations of extension cords or fuel systems. Number 4. WEN Electric Chainsaw, 15 amp, 18 inch, 4118. The WEN 15 amp 18 inch electric chainsaw is designed to provide strong cutting performance for homeowners who need a reliable corded chainsaw for yard work and property maintenance. The chainsaw is powered by a 15 amp electric motor that delivers consistent cutting power. Because it runs on electricity, it eliminates the need for gasoline, engine maintenance, and fuel mixing. The saw features an 18 inch guide bar, allowing users to cut through larger branches, logs, and tree limbs. This longer bar provides increased reach and cutting capacity compared to smaller chainsaws. The automatic chain lubrication system helps keep the chain properly oiled while operating. Proper lubrication helps reduce friction and wear, improving cutting efficiency and extending the life of the chain and guide bar. The chainsaw includes a tool-free chain tensioning system, allowing users to adjust chain tightness quickly without needing additional tools. Safety features include a chain brake that helps stop the chain quickly in case of kickback. This feature helps improve user protection while cutting. The ergonomic handle design allows for a comfortable grip and improved control when operating the saw. Because the chainsaw is corded, it provides continuous power during operation without the need to recharge batteries. However, it does require an extension cord rated for outdoor use. Number 5. Taiatok Mini Chainsaw 8-inch cordless with 2x 4000 mAh batteries, battery-powered chainsaw with oiler, lightweight handheld saw for house. The Taiatok 8-inch cordless mini chainsaw is designed as a lightweight and portable cutting tool for small trimming tasks around the yard and garden. Its compact size makes it especially useful for pruning branches and maintaining trees and shrubs. One of the key advantages of this chainsaw is its cordless design. Powered by rechargeable batteries, it allows users to move freely without dealing with extension cords or gasoline. The tool includes two 4000 mAh lithium batteries. Having two batteries allows users to swap batteries during work sessions, helping extend overall operating time. The 8-inch guide bar is suitable for cutting smaller branches, trimming bushes, and performing light wood cutting tasks. Despite its small size, the chainsaw is designed to provide efficient cutting performance for everyday garden maintenance. The built-in oiling system helps keep the chain lubricated during operation. Proper lubrication improves cutting performance and helps extend the life of the chain. The lightweight handheld design makes the chainsaw easy to operate with one hand in many situations, which can be helpful when trimming branches in tight areas. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best electric chainsaws here on Prime Picks USA. If any of these chainsaws caught your attention, we have included links in the description where you can check the latest price and details. Make sure to subscribe to Prime Picks USA for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.